Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. So today's video is going to be another liquid lipstick series video, and basically what I do is I try out a liquid lipstick for about 8 hours because that's usually the time that people wear their lipsticks for, like if they're going to work or whatever. So I usually wear it for 8 hours, and I do wear tests throughout the day to see how it's wearing. And yeah, maybe I give you guys like some great recommendations for some great liquid lipsticks out there. So if you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, I have them up above as cards on this video, and I also will link them down below in the description box if you're wanting to see episode 1 and 2. So before we get on to the video, please subscribe to my channel down below. If you like my content, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what liquid lipsticks you love and what liquid lipsticks you think I should try out. So let's get on to the video. So the liquid lipstick I'm going to be trying on today is the Covergirl Melting Pout Matte Lipstick, and I got it in the shade Champagne Showers. I don't really hear a lot of YouTubers using this liquid lipstick. I actually went to Walgreens this morning and I was gonna do the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick, but then I was like, you know what, I want to try something I haven't tried out at all. So I picked this up. Covergirl recently went cruelty free, so I was so like excited to finally try these. And I don't hear like a lot of YouTubers talking about Covergirl, and I don't really hear like a lot of people like hyping up Covergirl. Like Covergirl's not hyped up like Milani is, or how Maybelline is, or even like sometimes L'Oreal. So I just feel like Covergirl has been kind of like not left behind. I don't want to say left behind, but I feel like we don't talk about Covergirl as much. So anyways, I'm gonna be trying this on for about 8 hours. Since this is really light, let me show you guys a swatch of it. So I do notice when I swatch this lipstick, it's a little streaky, so I'm kind of afraid about that. But this is what it looks like on my hand, and since it is kind of a light color, I am going to be using a lip liner. When I see that it is a little streaky, I'm kind of like, it's not as opaque. Like you probably need like, I don't know, I guess we'll see when I put it on my my lips. But it looks pretty like sheer to me. So I'm going to put a lip liner and then I'm going to apply the lipstick on. I'm going to be applying the Colourpop BFF3 lip liner before I put this on. I'm just going to apply like a very light layer of this lip liner. I'm just going to apply it on like the outer part of my lips, of course. I'm not going to fill in my lips with it. What it looks like. I'm not mad at the color. It's not as opaque as I thought it would be. I'm gonna zoom you guys in because I feel like I look a little like gray. I don't know what the color looks like with the lip liner. Like granted, maybe the lip liner changed the color a little bit. I'm not a big fan of the formula. Like it feels so sticky. Like when I put my lips together, it feels super like tacky, very sticky. This is definitely like gonna be a nude for me. Like this is not gonna be no pink color, and I actually picked this color because I thought it was gonna be a nude. So that's a big reason why I picked this color, because I want like a nude lipstick. We're gonna see how long this wears, but already I feel it so like sticky and tacky on my lips. So that's like a kind of a red sign. I feel like it's already like crumbling. It's crumbling a little bit, like right here, look. Like right inside. It's like crumbling. And I just applied it. Right now, it is currently 3:33 p.m. I'm gonna check back in with you guys in about 2 hours and see how it wears. I'm gonna just hang around my house, probably like clean a little bit, do a little bit of things in the house, and I'll be back. But so far, like right now, it's already crumbling on my bottom lip. And it's also crumbling a little bit on the top lip. We'll see if this passes the 8-hour wear test. And yeah, I'll see you guys in about 2 hours, and I'll see you then. Alright, so I am back now. It has been a little bit over like 2 hours. It's 5:40 right now. It feels less sticky than before, but let me just zoom you in and show you what it looks like. What the lipstick looks like. And it's a very nude on me, so you're not gonna like tell like it's like lipstick, but inside is like out. In here is gone. All in here is gone. And then the top is still there, but the bottom is all like cracked here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reapply another layer. I really want to see how it layers, like if it gets crusty when I layer it, or if it's going to layer smoothly. So I'm just going to apply another layer and then zoom you guys in a little bit more to see how it layered. Definitely not a lipstick that gives you an even layer, because even when I was applying it, it was like splotchy in some areas and then other areas more opaque. But because it is such a light color, I'm going to outline the outer part just to make it a little bit more toned down. Here, it's very crumbly. Right here, it's super crumbly. And also I didn't blend my lip liner. I put my lips together, look at this. Like you see the peeling here? Like it's peeling all in here. And this is only 2 hours in. And I just did one extra layer of the lipstick and it's already like flaky already. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to wear it for like another 2.5 hours, and I'm going to do another check-in. So right now it's like 5:50ish, so I'll be back around 8 o'clock to give you guys one more check-in, and then after that I'll do one more check-in around like 10:30, 11 o'clock, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this liquid lipstick. So far, honestly, I don't know if I would go back and purchase this again. This is just my thoughts right now. Just because I feel like it's not like a smooth layer. Like it looks very patchy. It looks very crusty, especially inside. And also, I don't like the formula of this. I really don't like the formula. I don't like the way it applies. I don't like the way it looks on my lips. So let's just see how it wears in the next 2 hours, and then I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so this is the next day from when you saw my first and last check-in. Last night I had like an emergency with my family, so I couldn't film another check-in, but I can tell you guys how the liquid lipstick wore, and it wasn't good. I don't like the formula. I don't recommend this lipstick. It was very uneven layer. It was very splotchy. I just didn't like the finish, like how it felt on my lips. And I put chapstick before, but I just think maybe it's the color. So maybe the light colors in the collection or in this formula don't work well, because I haven't tried the dark colors. So maybe I'll try the dark colors again. But for a fact, I just know like that shade, that light color, I probably will never wear it again because it was not good. It didn't work for me. I even like felt like it started like just peeling everywhere. It was very, very like just not good. So I'm probably gonna give it another try with a darker shade, and maybe the darker shades will be better, because of liquid lipsticks, the lighter shades tend to be like a little bit more uneven. So maybe I have to give it another try with a darker shade. But as of right now, this is probably not a formula, probably not a liquid lipstick I would wear again. Now I know Covergirl makes the other one where you get like the balm and liquid lipstick, so I'm thinking about trying that one as well. Maybe that one's a better formula than this one. But yeah, I don't really like it. If you have it and you like it a lot, please let me know in the comment section down below how you make it work. How have you made it work for your lips? How have you made it work evenly? So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm so sorry I couldn't give you guys the 3 check-ins that I promised because of my emergency last night. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe down below to my channel. I will definitely be creating more videos. I'm really like trying to work up ideas, trying to like brainstorm ideas to make better videos, and I'm currently on the like market for a new camera. Like I'm trying to get myself like a DSLR camera, because right now I just have a like filming camera. But I'm really trying to get a DSLR camera to get better quality videos out there, and just to take this more seriously, because I feel like I've been uploading, but I'm not uploading as much as I can, and I love uploading so much, and I just have to find the time because I work full-time as a teacher, which is another video in itself because I don't like it at all. But that's another video that I'll film another time. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just trying to do this YouTube thing and see what's going to happen with this YouTube thing. Sometimes I ask myself, why am I even filming videos? People are not wanting to watch me. Why? But then it's like, I have to think positive. So anyways, so thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!